In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Epson SureColor T5270 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just open up a web browser and head over to Google search, and you want to search up Epson SureColor T5270 support. So go ahead and search for that on Google. One of the best results should be an Epson support page. This is Epson SureColor T5270. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, expand the driver section and select a driver and utility combo package file in here. And then once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up that file. And if you receive a user account control prompt as you're opening up the file, it should be a verified signed publisher from Epson. Select yes. And then you should be able to see that it contains everything you'll need to use your Epson SureColor printer. Select OK to continue. And then just follow through with the on-screen directions like you would any normal application. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.